Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. The exhibit shows the BGP configuration on the hub in a hub-and-spoke topology. The administrator wants BGP to advertise prefixes from spokes to other spokes over the IPsec overlays, including additional paths. However, when looking at the spoke routing table, the administrator does not see the prefixes from other spokes and the additional paths. Based on the exhibit, which 3 settings must the administrator configure inside each BGP neighbor group so spokes can learn other spokes' prefixes and their additional paths? Choose 3. Option A. Enable soft reconfiguration. Option B. Enable root reflector client. Option C. Set additional path to send. Option D. Set ADV additional path to the number of additional paths to advertise. Option E. Set advertisement interval to the number of additional paths to advertise. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Enable root reflector client. Option C. Set additional path to send. Option D. Set ADV additional path to the number of additional paths to advertise. Question 2. What are 2 advantages of using an IPsec recommended template to configure an IPsec tunnel in an hub and spoke topology? Choose 2. Option A. It ensures consistent settings between Phase 1 and Phase 2. Option B. It guides the administrator to use Fortinet recommended settings. Option C. The VPN monitor tool provides additional statistics for tunnels defined with an IPsec recommended template. Option D. It automatically installs IPsec tunnels to every spoke when they are added to the FortiManager ADOM. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. It ensures consistent settings between Phase 1 and Phase 2. Option B. It guides the administrator to use Fortinet recommended settings. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.